Hi guys, Attila here of the island. If you are a sailmaker, a zigzag machine collector, a Dürkopp Adler enthusiast, then here I am. I have a Dürkopp Adler 266-76-1 for you. And now let's hear the sound of this beauty. I absolutely love it. Do you? Check this out. Beautiful stitches from the end to the beginning. No skips. Let's try with 4 layers. No skips again. So this machine, since it has a foot lift with air, and because of the motor itself, when the operator stops in the seam, the needle is down, but when you want to stop the seam, you press the pedal, you hear the pedal, and then the needle goes up and the foot lifts, so you can take out the material. Just take a look. Let's try 8 layers. So, foot up. A bit of struggle, but that's okay. To stitch together these 2 panels. Let's see what's going on. Nice. Beautiful bottom stitch. Nice. Obviously this is a lighter sail, it still works.